People are hurling rocks at a home on the remote archipelago of Haida Gwaii, reportedly fueled by frustration and pain over BC's drug crisis and the loss of a community member.
We've been told that a house has been demolished in Skidegate that was believed to be occupied by people allegedly selling drugs or dealing in drugs.
Facebook posts indicate the demoed homes are tied to the family of Tyson Young, who was charged with second-degree murder following the death of Luke Pearson. RCMP say Pearson died last week after he was hit by a vehicle.
The violence that happened in Skidegate on Haida Gwaii really broke the camel's back, so to speak, and has forced a lot of First Nations people to try and address and try and understand the drug crisis.
Young's family has been shunned, and after leaving Haida Gwaii, police say they were met by protesters. No! It's not uncommon for Indigenous communities to order people to leave their reserves for dealing drugs.
I don't get a notice of every single one, but I'm aware personally of 3 within the past year.
A UVic law professor says it's an assertion of Indigenous sovereignty.
This also comes at a time when many Indigenous communities, hand in hand, are wanting to assert their Indigenous legal orders, sometimes even in objection to Canadian legal jurisdiction.
He says it's possible people could be prosecuted for demolishing these homes or for following Young's family and preventing them from stopping to eat and refuel. RCMP say that bordered on criminal harassment, though charges weren't laid.
The members of the Haida Gwaii community who are actually doing this are going to say, well, we're acting according to our own laws, so we're gonna defend ourselves as best we can.
The First Nations Leadership Council has written to the Skidegate Band Council offering its support.
We will, if they request, arrange meetings for them with government.
The First Nations Leadership Council is calling for more treatment options in rural and remote communities. The Health Ministry says it's committed to renovating and building more Indigenous-run treatment centres and is providing virtual care specific to remote communities. Anna McMillan, CTV News, Victoria.